I'm up here driving this train and wanted to give you a warm introduction before we get too far into our journey. Do be advised that on our trip through the Silverwood, we might encounter wild animals, outlaws, explosions, and grown adults playing with toy guns. In the case of a robbery, don't be afraid to open up those pocketbooks and all donations go to Children's Village Coeur d'Alene. We do our best to keep this train moving at a consistent and smooth pace. But it doesn't have all those luxuries of those modern automobiles. Oh, what I wish you was cruise control and air conditioning up here. All that to say, sit back, relax, and enjoy your ride with Silverwood.
Thanks, Rocky, for that very important and wonderful introduction. Like I said before, my name is Rosie, and the contract to get you all out safely to the Silverwood. Oh, what's of your power? I reckon it's your first thing on the job. Look at you all. That's as clean as a whistle. Now, I see my fair share of smoothies on our route out to the Silverwood. I think there's a few pointers on past tests in my search show. In order for you all to stay on the straight and narrow, you must follow these tips. Tip number 1. Keep your arms and legs in the train while it's in motion. Our job to get you all out to the mine in one piece. I can't have everybody showing up and their limbs like I do that with you. Please the chocolate teapot. Tip number 2. Don't ever touch the water. The Silverwood back force is full of an amazing array of wild animals, and although they may look cuter than a boat, snows in a brook, they do have the capability of ripping a passenger off this train faster than grass from a goose. Oh, speaking of goose, I have this goose food. Oh, just for you. Y'all know about good juice this train ride? Good peach. That was good. Step number 3. Keep a close eye on your chin now. I see some of you thought it'd be a good idea to bring your littles out to your first day of work. Oh, George, the farmer's gonna think it's so sweet to see the babies run around the kitchen racks. Nah, there's a couple of woodpeckers that could make a grown man cry, but come on, your work. You should be salty. Tell me inside.
Ranger Rosie, what's your location? Rosie, do you have it?
Yes, George, I'm here. We're currently past the Boulder Beach National Park and we're heading your way.
Good day. These little creatures you brought out this morning could fall off the tree. No, I'm dynamite. Ain't alive. Rosie, I gotta go. Just get here faster than a sneeze through a swing door.
Oh, gross. Well, Rocky, you heard the man. Full steam ahead.
I'm giving her all I can handle right now. I suggest driving me.
Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Tip number 4 is the most important of them all. Casting signs stand off falling through these woods, but whatever you do, do not approach the spot. Got it?
Rosie's right. I heard the story that one got so bad that back in train clear off the track.
All right, Doctor, you need to scare them now. People know that we're actually seeing one. And then to tell the tale, don't worry, we're going to be fine. Oh, and speaking of fairy beasts, coming up on our left, we have the bison Tim. Hey, Rocky, would you mind telling our passengers some facts about these beautiful creatures?
Absolutely.
All of there's babies out there, little baby ones. Little ones. Let me go run into mama.
All that weight they eat some healthy food. They are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. Now that is a lot of salad if you ask me.
And what goes in must come out. Hey, goody-doos, I had a bison specimen for you.
Rosie does have a point. A single bison can produce up to 4 gallons of scat each day.
There's a wild turkeys there too.
It is very important to sustain the ecosystem around you. That's because over 300 species of insects will live inside one basket, producing food for other animals in the food chain. Good for you, bison food.
Thanks, Rocky. Now you all might be wondering why these bison are out here in the first place. And that is a great question. You may have seen a sign back over yonder for Old Dave's Wild West Show. Now this is a credible marksman and skunk show. Their parent now is the famous buffalo stampede. Rumor has it, they're on the way to Deadwood as we speak. Oh, I'm so excited.
some unsolicited gunfire coming from over that way. Is everything okay? Rosie?
No, Sheriff. Everything's fine. It's probably around here, Sheriff. I just thought I saw a Sasquatch running through the woods and took a little warning shot.
You be careful out there. There was another reported sighting up on the chest. So I moved the Sasquatch danger sign up to extreme. I don't want you making any informed steps. Those last miners that we dropped off have George, Madeline, and Mosquito in panic fashion. I want you there 5 minutes ago.
Count on me, sir.
Holy, that was low.
You got that right. I guess I got a little ahead of myself with that whole Danny Oakley bit. He's right, though. I have jobs to do. Oh, and coming up on our left, we are going to be running into Miner's Estate. It has all the modern amenities you could ever ask for, including the modern clothesline, 3,000, galvanized truck tub, and a tree. Plenty wide enough to give you all the privacy you need to do your paperwork now. You want to stay there? Yeah. Awesome. How about you? You want to stay there? Oh yeah, awesome. That's okay with that. Now these mountains are full of precious metals and gemstones, ranging from opal, garnet, quartz, to the real prize, silver. Like all of you, many have crops here faster than rats betraying half the shelf of bridge. Meaning these profit mines have started to take shape. In fact, these parts have produced over 1 billion ounces of silver since the mid-1800s.
This just in. Big Joe has been spotted hopping the westbound train towards Spokane. He is armed and considered very dangerous. Stay clear and report any sightings directly to the sheriff.
We were in deep, deep trouble. Big Joe is the meanest, roughest, toughest outlaw this side of the Mississippi. I mean, rumor has it, he sins. He's well soon parts behind the contracts.
Let's not get carried away. We don't want to stare all these bastards on that first day of work.
You're right, Rocky. What I really need to do is prepare for an encounter by finding me some backup. Alrighty, everybody, listen up. I am looking for someone who is braver than the person who ever ate an oyster, handier than the pocket on a shirt, and sharp as a bowling ball, because you have to be nuttier than squirrel poo to go up against Big Joe. Who's with me? Thank you.
Miss Rosie, we are crossing the trestle. Remember what the sheriff said, everyone. Keep your eyes peeled for a Sasquatch running around these parks. He could be hiding anywhere.
Well, not anywhere. I mean, he is a massive hairy beast. I couldn't hide behind any of these small shrubs.
You know what I mean.
He's right. We do have a good vantage point from up here, and I'd be able to see something moving in the distance. Everyone, keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready for the perfect shot of the Sasquatch. Let me know if y'all see anything.
Look for the Sasquatch. We're looking for the Sasquatch.
This is my favorite view in all of Silverwood. I mean, you've got the blue skies, the trees, the mountains.
The bears.
The bears. Bears. Bears where?
On the left. It looks like some black bear cubs have raided someone's campsite. Bears have amazing sniffers. In fact, their scent of smell is 7 times better than a bloodhound. Some estimates say a black bear can smell food 18 to 20 miles away. Hope everyone is wearing their deodorant, Steve.
And where there are cubs, Mom was bound to be close by. Oh, here she is coming up on the right. She looks madder than a wet hen.
Rosie, do you have me?
Yes, George?
Turns out I don't need the new recruits after all. Everything here is moving like a well-oiled machine.
But I thought you said the other batch wasn't working out.
Nope. We're all good now. You can just keep that train a-moving.
But I'm just 2 toots and a holler away.
No! Just keep moving, Rosie. Everyone here is happy as a clam at high tide.
Alrighty, I'll see you tomorrow then?
You betcha, Miss Rosie. Au revoir.
I just don't understand how it can go from so bad to so good within a matter of minutes. Don't y'all find that a little suspicious? Right? And wait, have you ever heard George use the phrase happy as a clam and au revoir? I mean, there's no way George speaks French. He says it the third grade was the best 2 years of his life. I mean, it just doesn't add up.
Miss Rosie, I got it. Went to the change of plans. Beautiful George and French all having guns.
He's in love. Oh, that totally makes sense. He doesn't want to bust himself out and ruin his moment. He's overly giddy and he practices the language of love. Oh, George is as stiff as a kid with a $2 fee.
That's not quite the conclusion I came up with. I was thinking that he might be trying to warn us that Big Joe is taking over the Silverwood. He's trying to protect us from stopping.
Well, I like my idea better, but if you're right, then George is in big trouble. Hey, Rob, can you make an emergency stop at the silver mine? I need to find me some backup. Okay. Hi, train car number 4. Who wants to be my junior ranger? Oh, I got one volunteer. Nobody else wants to help? I need more than that. You know what? How about this? All the kids in these train cars, thank you for volunteering. Y'all are going to be my junior rangers, okay? Now, if you see anything suspicious happening, I need you to yell, Ranger, Ranger, to give me some kind of warning, okay? So what are y'all going to yell?
Ranger, Ranger.
One more time.
Ranger, Ranger.
Much better. Thank y'all. Keep an eye out for me, okay?
All right, look out, Bob, if you see some.
Where is everybody? Usually the silver mine is a hustling, bustling place full of hundreds of people moving in and out of these doors like ants on a rainy day. This is a ghost town. You know what? Y'all wait here. I'm going to see if I can find George. George? Mr. Foreman? George's lover? Anybody home? Hey, freeze! Get your hands up!
I don't think you want me to do that.
Why's that?
Well, I'm kind of in a vulnerable position here.
Well, just keep your hands up.
Ranger, Ranger!
That's right, I know who you are. I've captured the
Wow, you really thought long and hard about this. Only one problem, miss.
What's that? I got him, y'all.
Behind you.
I'm Big Joe.
Wow, Big Joe, that was amazing. Boy, you hit her in the head with the crane and said, I'm Big Joe. Boom. It was like out of a picture show.
I know, we are being rude to our guests.
Oh, right.
Bonjour, my name is Josephine Bonet, but you can call me Big Joe. Around these parts, everybody knows my name because of these wanted posters hanging around town. They always make me look so masculine in these stories. Where was I? I have traveled all over the globe with one thing on my mind. To be known as the most infamous, how do you say it? Outlaw in the world. I picked up Dynamite Dad when he got us to both to New York, and we have been making our way across the United States, taking whatever we can get our hands on. And lucky for us, you all fell in for that.
Hey, psst, Big Joe.
What?
Can I take a moment to introduce myself?
We.
My name is Dynamite's Dad. Woo. I like to blow stuff up. Right away, Big Joe.
Now, whilst the ranger is taking her little nap, we are going to board this train, and you all are going to open up those pocketbooks and put them into our bags so that we can be on our way.
But before we can rob this train, we need to find an accomplice so you don't go snitching to the sheriff. We need you to have some skin in the game, too. You will do nicely. Please stand up so everyone can get a good look at you. And follow me. All right, everybody, listen up. There are 3 rules to being an outlaw. Rule number 1, you need to have a super cool mustache to disguise how your face looks. And lucky for you, I have a spare right in here. Aha! Here you go. Rule number 2, you need to have a genuine, authentic cowboy hat. Got one of those too. Yeah. Isn't pink so good? I love it. It's a great look on you, great color. All right, rule number 3. You need to have a dangerous name in front of your real name, so it looks cool on the wanted posters, like Dynamite Dan or Calamity Jane. So, what's your first name? Jessica. Jessica. Jealous Jessica it is! Jealous Jessica, meet Big Joe. Big Joe, meet Jealous Jessica.
Day, jealous Jessica. Now I want this to be a quick and
All right,
easy transaction, okay? So just put your cash inside the bag as I pass by to make this as painless as possible, we. Now get your hands up in the air. Let's go.
Jealous Jessica.
Up.
I know you're jealous, but you probably got a lot of money.
Hands up. Thank you so much.
Keep them up. All right, who's got the money? Who's got the moolah?
Cha-ching.
All right.
Thank you.
Who's got the money? Nero.
No, Dad. Look at all the money. No more money.
Hey, Big Joe, how much money did you make?
I did pretty good. Jealous Jessica was okay.
I got one.
Okay. Thank you all so much for your generous donations. Now, please sit tight as we will be blowing you up shortly.
Hey, Sheriff, it's Ranger Rosie about the Silverwood. Big Joe is here.
Thank you, little rat. You were allergic to the sheriff. Now we are going to have to get rid of you.
Whoa, it's raining.
Do you have any more dynamite?
What is my name?
Don't get smart, me, okay? Need to slip into mine. Now go.
Okay.
You've got the Sasquatch.
I do.
You've already robbed all these innocent people on the train. I'm not going to let you get away with
The
this.
Sasquatch is the real prize. Once I blow up this train, I will sell it for millions. You put up fight to fight for it, Oldie Rachel. I am going to enjoy this. Any last words?
The sheriff is here.
Where?
Thanks, Rocky.
Dan, let's go.
I'm coming. That dynamite was heavy.
Okay, I have found your abducted here.
Where?
Where? The train, okay? It's just a perfect getaway because once we are on it, the ranger won't shoot because of all these innocent people.
I don't know about jealous Jessica.
I am talking.
Don't try. I have the high ground.
Okay, she's right. Our best bet is to make this on the train before she gets down, okay? So my mark, you stand up and give me cover while they enter the train, we?
We.
Okay, now go.
Oh.
Oh, just get on the train, let's go!
You can't shoot it up. Don't be so dramatic.
Okay,
Everybody sit down.
Let's get a move on. Please be sitting. Thank you.
I want you to be sitting so you can be safe when we blow you up.
No, I'll come back for you, Sasquatch. Come on, train car, okay?
Big Joe, I don't think we'll be hearing from the ranger anytime soon.
Don't be so nearsighted, okay? She has already alerted the sheriff.
Oh, shoot. Big Joe, you're right. What do I do? What's our plan? I can't go to jail again.
Okay, just let me think, okay? So, you go there and do something productive, okay? So that I can sing. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay, everybody. Look to your left. All right. Everybody look to your right. Okay, now breathe. Everybody bop your head. Here we go now. Hey,
Dad, what are you doing?
well, I'm seeing if the boat's telling you rhythm. Maybe not.
I'll try to do this realistic fighter, okay?
Hey, Joe, look at this old eagle. And it has babies. Can we keep one?
No, we are going to be blown up and after super mine, killed a big Jeff captured a sexton, robbed all of these innocent people, and I got betrayed, okay? We cannot afford to have another felony on our conscience, so just have to look after the sheriff.
On it like a bonnet.
Bonnie!
Bonnet. Bonnet? Right. Oh, look. Big Joe is kind of hanging out in the tree.
The deer out there.
That's the one who eats snails. Oh, yeah, well, don't knock it till you try it. That's the funniest looking thing I've ever seen.
So much fun.
That would they also grab their own furniture. Who needs our gear?
Big Joe, I found this with a note that says gift to Cool Dude. Does anyone know who Cool Dude is? You up there. Well, I'm not going to ask any questions, but Jelly Johnson said something about him in the
All Silverwood wells coming out.
That is a great idea. Okay, we can leave to be up the street. All right. Give me a point.
I only have one.
What do you mean you only have one there at time?
That's funny.
Idiot, okay? You had better wish for something real good, okay? So repeat after me. I wish to be up the street.
I wish the ocean strength.
Okay. Here it comes. No. Here it comes. Steady. Steady. You missed. You missed.
Oh, well. Yes, I missed the round.
I really
What was that?
I'm so glad I missed you.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me. I'm sure that I met you too. Sure, you make a good team.
Hate to break up this moment, but we have a cougar hanging out in the boat from the lake.
Can I see that? Out of my hand like it's like rough.
Long time to do that.
How come I never get the girl? Big Joe, will you be my girlfriend?
How can I say this nice? No!
We're gonna go conflict.
It's not just a stranger, okay?
frame contains sulfur, cause significant higher gas and really black. It seems like dynamite. Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but we operate on one day a week. You must have got on the wrong train.
I suppose it did get worse. At least the sheriff hasn't contacted us yet.
Sheriff to Engine 7, to your copy line.
Oh, it just got one.
Hey, Sheriff, this is Rocky. I got it. I want to talk to those outlaws that are on your train.
No! I got it! Ranger Older reported for duty!
Rosie, what are you doing on the train?
The train at the end of the forest. I'm surprised you didn't hear the gunfire.
I did hear a single shot from out that way.
Yep, that's the one. The most that was one shot. Woo! Now everybody's safe on the train.
Impressive, Ranger Rosie. Great job. I will have your reward waiting for you when you get back to the depot. See you soon.
Sorry. I was so nervous I was sweating like a sasquatch, running from a pack of pumpkins. That smells delicious.
That right there is an all-you-can-eat buffet lunch.
No.
Giant roller coaster that water slides can't really work up an appetite. The chuck wagon is your ticket to fill your tank with delicious barbecue.
I'll have to make a mental note to stop my house later. You guys like barbecue? Cornbread? Hey, barbecue cornbread. Interesting. I have anything. Hey, Rocky, what's that big red and white thing over yonder?
That right there is Silverwood's newest roller coaster, Silverwood. It was named to pay homage to the air show that takes place every day in Hartford.
Oh, Big Joe, we have to ride that one. Can we? Can we please? You think she meant it? That roller coaster looks so cool.
And that right there is a major piece of history. Corkscrew was a prototype roller coaster created by aerodynamics. When it opened up to the public, it was named the first modern steel inverting roller coaster in the world.
Big Joe, did you see those tiny cars on the right? They look more like your speed. It could be our first state.
How can you think about something like that in a time like this?
Well, Sophie!
No, why are you going down?
City Hall.
Why are we slowing down?
Well, I'm sorry, everyone, but it looks like we have a herd of turtles up on the tracks today. We're going to have to make an emergency stoppage if they cross. This will only take a minute.
Big Joe, that sure sounds like some triumphant music.
Okay, we need to blend in with these passengers. Okay, so you take this, and I'm going to take this, and we're going to find somewhere to sit. Let's go.
Okay, I'm going. Oh, all right, excuse me.
Dynamite Big
We're not going to tell
Joe.
where I am, yes? Yes, quiet. Thank you so much. Great.
Show y'all somewhat. Hey, buddies.
It's the Ranger.
That way, thank you. Big Joe.
Please.
Back there.
Get a mind now, Rachel Rosie. I should have done this back at Samantha when I had the chance.
Put your hands up, Big Joe.
Dan, what are you doing?
Hands up.
What are you doing?
You have been so mean to me. I can't take it anymore. And also, I saw some of the money in your water coaster, and I want some of that, so turning us both in.
Really? Not so sure we can do that, Dynamite Dan, but that is a very honorable thing to do. Now, both of you, put your hands where I can see them and get off this train.
All
The
right.
stupidity is overwhelming.
Okay, all right. Well, since I turned the both of us in, can I at least get some of the money on my water coaster?
You don't have a wanted poster, Dynamite Dan. Now
What do
sit
you mean I
down.
don't have a water
Because you are
coaster?
left in with Carlos as sidekick.
Who's that?
Big
me like that.
Madame.
That was so mean.
Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.
I like locking up the outlaws. Look at me. Woo!
Oh, look at you.
Woo! Oh, hello.
There you go. So
Alrighty, y'all wait here. The sheriff is gonna have a good time with you two. Woo!
Okay.
The sheriff is and I guess that's just how the month flies. Can I have everyone have a seat for me, please? Oh, thank you. Thanks, y'all. All right, Rocky, let's get this train moving. Now, I'm not so sure about this one right here. Kind of turn me away from Big Joe. Whee! Now, don't forget to wave goodbye to our favorite outlaw. Goodbye. We're not going to see anyone for a very, very long time.
You can stop by and visit. I'll let you know the hours.
People don't visit people who rob them down out there. Oh, how's everybody doing back here? All my junior rangers okay? Yeah, y'all okay? All right, let me know if you need anything. They weren't too rough on you, right? Yes. They're gonna get out. You okay? You gonna make it? Okay, you let me know if not. Well, I'm sure. Those are some scary outlaws back there. I was shaking in my boots over at the mine. Alrighty, folks, now the other rangers now have to have a little competition to see who's trained to be the loudest. So to think a little through here, I'm going to count to 3. And if you have a good time today on the train with me, I need you to yell as loud as you possibly can. Alrighty, folks? 1, 2, 3.
We're getting a nice ride.
I have some favorites.
And it's your 21 car Huckleberry Lemon Drop Martini. It is good. Oh, look at this train depot. It has been an absolute pleasure serving you all today on the Silverwood Central Railway. Thank you. As I said, my name is Ranger Rosie.
And I'm Rocky the engineer.
And we both hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening here at Silverwood. Bye.